Here we are, Contra Costa Powersports, at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2014 GSX R1000 superbike. This bike is in beautiful condition, only 8,000 miles, smoke windscreen, beautiful gold anodized levers, superbike power, 1000cc, inline 4, fuel injected. It's got Brembo brakes, monoblock mounting system, an awesome sounding Yoshimura exhaust, new tires, fender eliminator, make your superbike dreams come true. It's got the seat cowl, frame sliders. We've got the rear seat for this gorgeous metallic blue and white Suzuki superbike. Only $99.99. Come by, check it out. With financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.